They were literally like, excuse me, sir, this is for your car. Like, no,
wait, you left it there like permanently?
Car, dude.
Fucking just left it there, bro.
You got me in so much trouble. Like 3 people asked me, it's like, dude, you're always working on your car. Why would you leave the pipes there? I was like,
Alright, Jorge, what are we doing?
We're about to fuck this shit up. We just bought it, and we're gonna put a hole in it. I think we will be fine, but we'll see how it goes. So you sit right here in the middle, right?
Yeah, right about in the middle. Alright, let's see if I was right on a size. Yeah. Okay.
One, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And
No,
then
no, it's this one.
and it needs, huh?
Not that one.
Oh, sorry.
It's this one.
Yeah, that's thicker. Is that enough?
Nope.
Ah. All right. So Lucas messed up. So we went up a size with the drill. See if we can get that to fit better. All right. How we feel now? We through?
Nope.
maybe if she was driving something better.
Damn.
Okay, we've gone to the 1564.
It's funny if I like tricks in the morning.
Good.
What's going on out there?
All right. Let's take our tape off.
You're like, what?
We got 2 holes.
I put these in last night.
We're in.
Yeah, no, just make sure I had everything like before like it got dark.
I think I fucking checked the pressure.
Yeah.
Like, she was like, I have like I got a mail room to get fucking mail.
Yo, dog, I heard you like extensions.
Extension upon.
Man, if I knew you needed this, I have one that's that long.
Huh?
I have one that long.
No, I needed this.
Ball joint.
Oh, one of
I
those
think
things.
that's too fat though now.
Oh god. To fit through?
Yeah, can you see? Is it?
No, I can't see anything.
It's still not going on it.
There's the light.
Bro, this is like the most flimsy.
I can't see what's going on.
How many people does it take to take one bolt out?
Jesus.
Can you see it?
Jeez. So, Patrick isn't really beating Jorge just yet.
We're beating them.
It's pretty close.
What you think, bro?
Fucking race on me?
It's a race. Everything's a race. Are you kidding me?
Did you record the sound?
So the problem is, like with this, so like if you see here,
that sucks.
look, there would be space here where you could get on it, but it was turned like this, so the heat shield was in the way, where you had to go on at a crazy angle. We had to get it loose to where we could get it here, where we could even get a wrench straight on it, or the bolt was like right up against this, like that. So literally, it was in the worst possible location. And if these flanges were flat,
Yeah, you've been fine.
yeah, we could just take a wrench right in. The new ones are flat.
All right, 7 hours later, what are we doing? What are we doing, Jorge?
I have no idea, bro. I'm following the video. I got no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
So,
Well, we're gonna have to take all this off, and then this light is gonna come off as well, because the new one has a much smaller light. So this whole wing and light's gonna come off. Then we're gonna take the bumper off to be able to have easier access to being able to do the cutting of the square for the other wing.
hardcore fam.
We have to go all the way down to the frame, I think, for connecting the wing onto it, is what he said earlier. That can be pulled out, and then we'll just pull that fucker out with this. Yeah.
It's off.
Let me, I want to do this,
Hey, we're starting it. So we finally, a little bit of hassle getting these cats off, you know, no big deal. So anyways, we're gonna start it up now, no muffler, so it's gonna be straight pipe, so enjoy.
No revving, you gotta come because they got Krispy Kremes and fucking fast cars.
You ready? Yeah.
We were tying one of these nuts down and it's cross-threaded, so we got to just cut a bolt off. That's why I hate doing exhaust stuff, because bolts always seize up and stuff, you know. Okay, so there's one.
Just slides out.
Fuck that.
Are you following instructions or not?
Instructions.
All right, so Team Ferrari's having problems. What about Team America, Team Chevy? What y'all doing?
Team America
We are
is
building our Legos.
Is building. We're going strong.
Braces.
Following this
big ass swing.
this video, man. It's step by step.
They're legit.
Whose video is this? We give them a shout out.
It's the Corvette channel.
Okay.
So
How to install ZR1 wing.
So Mr. Moore's having problems. So y'all might beat him.
we might beat him. Let's go, Patrick. I think we're gonna beat you, bro. Look at that face. I wasn't seeing that face. When he came over here, man.
He was talking some mad shit.
We're still gonna finish for him.
Yeah.
He was talking mad shit, saying we almost done over here on the right.
He was smiling, dancing. Go,
This
look
way
at
we
that.
are.
Go show them that face that he has right now.
Going to Home Depot.
We're going to Home Depot.
Let's go. Team Mattermelt versus Team Tybo.
Let's hold hands.
Oh yeah.
That solid connection. Mark, don't let me down.
Oh, every time. Yeah, we always. Son, always.
What's going down, team?
Home Depot run.
Just let the No Revving channel understand and reflect upon. Jorge can back me up here. I come back on a Sunday before I got to drive back to Arkansas and clean everything for Jorge to put it away in his garage in the proper manner. And Patrick's dirty shit has been sitting in Jorge's garage for at least 2 weeks.
Alright, so what we got to do now that we've got the holes cut away, there's these 4 holes, right? And so we cut into his bumper and made 4 holes. So that's how the big ass wang is going to be able to hang on because we secured it with a bunch of Lego pieces to the frame of the car.
Done. Thanks, bro. Now it sounds like a Ferrari. Like that's how your Ferrari. From now on, that's how your Ferrari should sound.
No, never. Y'all will never do that again.
So, God, it's definitely straight pipes.
Oh yeah. And we can still figure out the valves later at some point.
Yeah.
So that way it's not so loud. I want to hear your car too.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me see the interior. Got any carbon on the inside?
Yeah, it's all carbon on the inside.
Damn, whoever did this, bro, like they put some money into it.
Yeah.
That's a nice spec. That the camera can't really pick up on, but it's all good. Oh yeah, you had to. That's what we wanted to do, right? Or did we do that?
No, we didn't do it. They got the good carbon though.
Yeah.
Smells good.
German.
These cars are so good. Oh damn, we got a system in there too. That's nice.
Yeah.
And they wrapped it leather, got the Audi rings on there. It sound good?
Oh yeah.
That's
yeah,
dope.
That sound really good.
That's stock head unit though. Are the lights usually back there? They keep this.
Huh?
Are the lights usually back here?
Yeah, those are factory.
That's good. Yeah, whoever had this before, because all that's
Yeah, they did it
aftermarket. You
right.
couldn't get that back in. This is 08?
Oh, 9.
9? Yeah, I don't think you could get that back in 08 or 9.
Those gauges. It's super quiet stock.
Sounds good.
Ooh, it only took 47 hours.
All right, so this is our day today.
We thought it was gonna take us about an hour,
Bro, it is.
hour and a half. We started at what, at 11?
Yeah,
a.m.
11:30, and now it is 10 o'clock at night.
at night. So
We took this bumper off 3 times.
3 times.
Why do y'all sound like robots?
I know.
Because we're tired, bro.
We take it off like
It's
3
end-
times.
It's end of day.
Yeah.
Lucas is the real MVP. He came for a beer and stayed
Y'all
for the
are
whole
crazy.
fucking
I'm gonna need
job.
y'all to.
Yeah, shout out to Zach. Shout out to Zach also with his already. We'll drop his Instagram here.
You don't owe me anything.
So anyways, to wrap it all up, you know, we got the ZR1 style wing on the Corvette. We got the cat delete pipes on the Ferrari. and it's gonna sound great. And then we're gonna end this video with you guys listen to us rip it up and down the highway in the tunnel.
Don't look at me, look at the camera.
Okay, sorry. You know who I'm talking to. So you know, enjoy the sounds. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. You know, we'll see you.
And if you don't like it, don't unlike it.
Yeah, whatever that means.
But when that guy was like, if you don't like it, don't unlike it. Don't dislike the video.
Until next time, they're Revving out.
Damn.
Wow.